guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. My name is Carrie and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I wanted to show you guys how you can achieve this cute hairstyle if you have short locks like me. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video, thumbs up, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you do not miss videos like this. So first of all, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look. It's more like a mohawk sort of look, or yeah, I call it mohawk because the hair is all coming to the middle and we're pushing the sides in. And if you guys are feeling this, just let me know. So I wanted to show you guys a hairstyle because I was like, let's create different contents, things that are exciting and how my locks are progressing. I'm so far liking this black hair and I think that it's blended well with what I did in my other videos. Let me know what you guys think. Let me not just recommend or compliment myself, but I'm really feeling this. So I just wanted to welcome you guys and let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I started off with stretching the hair by tying a ribbon. This kind of provides a certain stretch towards the hair. So what we're trying to achieve is a mohawk, and if you already have the hair facing this way and going that way, it'll be easier for you. You're gonna need some clips like these ones. I have these ones on because my hair is too short. I am going to first of all try and just pin the sides like so, and we're gonna have a mohawk look. First of all, I'll start by spraying my hair. This is mostly with rose water. Someone's lawn mowing at the neighbors, so it's kind of loud and I realized you guys might not be able to hear me. So before it's too late, I thought it's best to close the window. So you start by spraying the hair. My hair shrinks a lot, so I don't want to spray to the point where it's shrinking and I'm not able to grab it. I'm going to start by directioning the hair. I'm going to have some hair falling in my face. And what do you guys think of these black hairs since my last video? Let me know. I am still trying to get used to it, so to say. One will face the opposite way. And the other thing you can do, if you have really high, like standing up hair, sorry, that's my robe. If you're standing up hair, you can secure a pin. And this is for short hair because short hair is kind of hard to keep in one direction. I'm using spray because I want the hair to fall in that direction so that when it dries. So I might secure inside with the pin so that it's falling like so. So it's a slash mohawk sort of hairstyle, but hopefully it helps someone trying to achieve that lock mohawk look. All right, so that's pretty much it, and the back seems to be okay. Okay, so that's the hairstyle I have on today. I'm just gonna change into earrings and I hope you guys like it. As you can see, that's the hair I was talking about, but I think it's kind of cute. What do you think? So thank you guys for tuning in and I will see you next time. I am really feeling it, guys. If you have or are interested in more hairstyles, let me know. I might come up with a video with another hairstyle, but I was going out and I thought I could achieve something cute. See you next time. Bye.